Hey there everyone, it's Helen. I'm the national artist for Sephora collection, and today I'm joined by my beautiful model Haley, and I have been super inspired lately by the beautiful summer sunsets. I just love how orange and purple really play off of each other, so I really wanted to use that inspiration in this look, so let's get started. Alright, to kick this look off, I'm going to use the Milk Makeup Eyeshadow Primer. This is just a really great primer. It has some hydrating qualities to it, so it really smooths out your lids. And I like to apply primer using my fingers. I feel like that way you can ensure that you don't use too much, but that you've fully primed your lids. You can really get a feel for how much you've used and where you've applied it. And I love to prime underneath the eye as well if I'm going to put any sort of shadow or liner there. Next up, I'm going to use the Sephora Collection Mini Pocket Palette. This is the Sun Shadows, which have really inspired this look. They come in different shades, and I'm going to use the one in Golden Hour. I just really love how these look, and this color is just so gorgeous and sparkly, so we're gonna start there. And since I have that really nice grippy primer on there, I shouldn't get any fallout, which is really nice. And with any sort of glitter eyeshadow, you definitely want to pat it on first to prevent fallout, and then you can sort of sweep across to blend it. So you can see when she turns, it just like catches the light really beautifully. Let's go ahead and do that color on the other eye. I feel like it's really good when you are doing any sort of inspirational look to definitely add in some neutrals just to ground the look. So this is a glitter, but it's neutral, so it's kind of a nice way of starting off the look because we're gonna add some color into it as well. So I'm using the number 15 brush with this glitter because it's small, so I can really be strategic with my placement and blend it out where I need. And with that same brush, I'm going to go in to this orange shade, and this is really where sort of the color and inspiration is going to be coming from. So I'm going to use this as her crease color, and using just the tip of that number 15 brush, and giving that cut crease effect right here, and then softening as I go. So making sure that it has a lot of intensity right in the crease, and then it's a little bit diffused on the outer edges here. I'm seeing the sunset vibes coming through for sure. These sun shadow palettes come in like all different kind of sunset tones. So there's like a purpley one, and one that has more oranges to it, one that's a little bit more bronzy toned, which is really nice and warm. That looks very like 60s, 70s vibes, but we're gonna keep going with some more color. So using that same number 15 brush, I'm just gonna go into this inner corner and diffuse the color a bit, just give her that inner corner pop. Do you ever use like bronzy tones on yourself? Or like oranges?
I do, actually.
Really?
I don't wear a lot of eyeshadow, but I do love to use like a bronzer as an eyeshadow.
Oh yeah. Okay, so next I'm going to add some definition to this look and use this really beautiful matte eggplant shade as her liner. These are the Sephora Collection Ultimate Gel Liners. This is a really great color to just kind of ground everything, but it still has like a pop of color, so it adds interest to the look, which I really love. And I feel like that orange and the eggplant shade are just gorgeous together. Another trick I really like to do with this eyeliner is actually just taking the number 22 brush and putting it onto the eyeliner and then putting it on the eye. Okay, so tell me about the first time you had gotten your makeup done.
So actually, the first time I got my makeup done was at Sephora.
Okay.
My mom signed us up for one of those, you know, like find your shade.
The consultations, yeah.
Exactly, a consultation. And they actually gave me purple eyeliner as my first eyeliner.
I feel like purple is such a go-to for anybody who has like red hair. It's like, it just really brings out any eye tone too, so it's always like a go-to.
I thought it was really fun, and I actually wore it for years.
No way.
Yeah.
Well, we're bringing you back.
Amazing.
Gonna get back into your purple eyeliner phase. Okay. Make sure this is nice and visible because I want it to go with the liner color that we're gonna do below as well. All right, and I love to step back and really make sure that it's even on both sides so that when I do the bottom liner, it all will kind of come together flawlessly. And I just am obsessed with how this orange and purple really make each other pop. Okay, so next I'm going to use a lavender purple. This is just a really great matte tone, and I've been spending a lot of time in the desert lately, and they just have the best sunsets, and it's just so vivid with the purple and the orange. So I just was super inspired by these palettes and desert sunsets to just kind of do a look that really incorporated those colors. And I'm taking it all the way out underneath of that eggplant shade so they can kind of be like a dual liner. And these liners are just super pigmented and easy to throw on. And again, just going underneath that darker tones with the two liners there. And there we go. I really love this because I feel like these tones really work well with your skin tone and your hair tone, but it's just like a fun, inspirational look. We have some like sharp lines along with like the diffused orange. It just looks really beautiful on you. Okay, and the last step to really tie this all together is to use mascara. So I'm going to use the new one by Lancome. This is the Hypnose Mascara, and this one has serum inside of it, so it really helps to build up your lashes and just hydrate them. And it's a really nice volumizing and lengthening mascara. It kind of does it all. And I love the black mascara as like a contrast to this like pastel. Really makes everything pop. I love how that ties everything together. Okay, are you ready to see it?
Yes, I'm excited.
Take a look.
Ooh, that's so pretty.
So pretty, right?
Oh
I just
God.
love how it's like golden hour vibes. It kind of makes me want to like reach for a cocktail.
Exactly. I think I need to buy more purple eyeliner.
I know, it looks totally gorgeous on you. I feel like purple is for sure your color.
I love
Your first
it.
consultation at Sephora was completely correct. This looks great on you. Okay, and if you liked this look, be sure to like and subscribe. And until next time, bye everyone.